How you doing, guys? Greg Dunne here from CrossFit Coaching Development Homework. Lesson 13, managing multiple skill levels in class. For this video, I have picked workout number 2 to discuss. It's for time. It's 20 burpees, 135 hang squat snatch at 20 reps, 20 bar muscle ups, 135 pound hang squat snatch at 20 reps, and finish off with 20 burpees. The movement I have picked to discuss is the bar muscle up movement. All right. The members we have here, beginner would be Dan, intermediate is D, and RX is Sean. And the progressions we're looking at for the bar muscle up: for the beginner, jumping pull-ups; intermediate, jumping bar muscle-ups; and then for the RX, bar muscle-ups. All right. The time stimulus we're looking at for the 20 bar muscle-ups in the workout itself would be 2.5 to 3 minutes. And I'll explain why now. All right. So we're looking at Dan first as the beginner. Before we start the workout, going through the skill set itself, Dan's level in the at this bar muscle up, we're looking at working on Dan's skill and his strength as well. So we're looking at doing jumping pull-ups for Dan as a beginner. To work on his strength, we're going to use a box or use plates. I would use the box at the 20-inch setting with Dan's head approximately 6 inches below the bar. I would use the jumping pull-up scenario for Dan, trying to get at least a chin above the bar in the pull-up scenario. If during the skill set phase before the workout I see Dan is finding that exceptionally easy, what I would do is take the box away and lower the height by using plates. Use probably 3 25-pound plates possibly. And you can try that in the workout as well. But again, we're looking at breaking it down into sets for Dan, because he's doing jumping pull-ups from the box, from the plates. I would look to break the set down into possibly 2 sets of 10. All right, with a decent break in between the 10 reps. For D is our intermediate athlete. Again, with their intermediate, we're going to be working on the jumping pull-ups and jumping bar muscle-ups. With the jumping bar muscle-ups in the skill set before we start the workout, I'd be asking D to use a box. With the box for the bar muscle-up, again, looking at our form, keeping through into the hollow body on the bar, coming through and jumping up as high as you can, with the possibility of getting the top of the bar, pushing through on her arms. D is intermediate, but she can push through on the bar at the top of that jump to get on top and then back down. As she falls down, I will be working on her kip back through again into the hollow body maneuver before she comes back up into the jumping bar muscle up. Again, during the skill phase before the Metcon, if she's finding the box too easy, I'd recommend using plates as well. All right, lowering the height of the jumping bar muscle up. Again, trying to challenge her in the workout. She's doing these jumping bar muscle ups with ease. I want to increase the effort by bringing the height of the box down to plate level. All right, below 20 inches. For Sean is our RX athlete. We'll be working on his bar muscle ups. Now for Sean, even though Sean is an RX athlete, he has his bar muscle ups, but he still struggles with tiredness as he goes through the workout. Fatigue kicks in quite quick with his bar muscle up. So for Sean, during the skill set phase before the Metcon, we'll have him practice his bar muscle up technique. He has the bar muscle up, he chicken wings a little bit as he gets up on the bar. We're working on his grip on the bar for the bar muscle up, trying to get rid of that chicken wing where he's getting up and over the bar on his kip swing. With the workout itself, for Sean, so he doesn't fatigue too quick. Like I said, he has a problem with fatiguing too quick with the bar muscle ups. I suggest breaking it down to very workable sets. Either sets of 4 or 5 bar muscle ups at a time, and taking breaks of at least 10 or 15 seconds in between those sets. Again, looking to have Sean complete his 20 bar muscle ups in roughly 2.5 to 3 minutes for the workout itself. Again, for Sean, possibly if he's struggling in the skill part of the workout or of the session before the workout, the Metcon itself, if the 20 bar muscle ups is possibly too many for him for the workout, maybe reduce the number down to 17 or 18 bar muscle ups, and make sure he breaks them down into workable sets for the workout itself, the Metcon, so he's hitting that stimulus of 3 minutes or less for his bar muscle ups. That's me done, folks. Thanks a million.